Okay, so this then, I think I already know your answer. This then is not what you would consider a viable investment. Is that
For
true?
me and my preferences, that is correct. No, I would not.
And why is that?
Again, because
you can track value on these, though, Jason. You said one of your rules is you have to be able to track the value.
yes, but you're tracking the price there, though.
Shit, I did it again, didn't I? I did it again. Okay.
So let's say you have a Leonardo da Vinci painting and you buy it for $100,000.
Okay.
That's the price and that's the value you put on it. If you can sell it for $500,000,
right.
Would you sell it for that? If you value it at lower than $500,000 worth of value, you probably would.
Yeah.
If you value it at $5 million and you just love the piece, you probably wouldn't.
Oh no, I'd still sell it, but I get your point. Yeah.
Yeah. So,
yeah.
So
fair. Okay.
That, yeah. And the main reason is, well, there's a lot of reasons, but because you can't put a value on it, in my opinion, at this stage, other than the emotional value of something. Again, go back to the painting. If you have an emotional attachment to that, you probably won't sell for just about any price. If you don't, and you're just looking at it for investment, you probably sell for whatever, as long as you can make a return on it. So that depends. They also don't produce cash flows. That's another reason. And that's another reason you can't put the value on it, is because it doesn't produce cash flows. It's based off people's emotions. The fraud stuff, and there's a bubble building in NFTs. And so all these things kind of combined, I haven't thought of